Hello, Algebra 2 students, this is Mr. Kolk. Today what I want to do is go over some problems from last night homework, which was Tuesday, March 31st. I looked through your answers and some of you had questions, so let me just maybe show you 4 or 5 problems. I'll start with question number 1. In question number 1, you have to technically isolate the variable. So first step, minus 2, minus 2. So you will get square root of 3x minus 20 is equal to 2. And now this is the most important thing. How do you get rid of this radical? This is square root, so you have to square the left side, but what you do to the left side, do it to your right side. And square root and the radical, they're gonna cancel each other. They are called inverse operations. So now what you get is 3x minus 20 is equal to 2 to the second, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. And now it's simple algebra 1 equation. Add 20 to both sides, so 3x equals 24. Divide both sides by 3, so the answer is x is equal to 8. Okay, and when they say check for extraneous solutions, if you substitute 8, the answer will work. Let's check it quickly. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 minus 20 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. One student emailed me and told me that question number 3 was confusing. Okay, so let's do number 3. In question number 3, you have a radical on the left side, square root. Technically there's 2 in there and there's a 2 in there. So how do you get rid of this? Think about Pythagorean term in geometry last year. When a teacher said, x squared equals 10, you took square root, because they undo each other. They are called inverse operations. Okay, you recall this from geometry. So same thing here, square the left side, but whatever you do to the left side, do it to your right side. So you get 2k minus 13 is equal to 19 minus 2k. Okay, and now what I can do is I can put variables on one side and numbers on the other side. I will do plus 2k plus 2k. So 2k plus 2k is 4k minus 13 is equal to 19. Please remember, negative 2k and 2k, they cancel each other. And now add 13 to both sides. So you get 4k is equal to 19 plus 13 is, I believe, 32. Divide by 4, divide by 4. The answer is k is equal to 8. If you check your work, it will be correct. Okay, let me skip now to some more challenging questions. Nope, I want to do question number 5. Okay, number 5. Before you square both sides, you have to put negative 8 on the other side. So do plus 8 plus 8. So you get square root of k plus 7 is equal to 8. Now I can square it, Please remember, they are called inverse operations. So k plus 7 is equal to, please do not say 16, it's 8 times 8, which is 64. Minus 7, the answer is k is equal to 57. Okay, so k is equal to 57. That is your solution. Okay. Nope, that's not the one I want to do. Actually, I will do question number 7 now. Okay, so in question number 7, you have now quotient under the radical. Okay, so same idea. Square the left side, square the right side. So the left side will be x over 9 is equal to 8 times 8, which is 64. And now think about this. What number divided by 9 is equal to 64? Okay, one way to do this is to multiply both sides by 9, but you could also make proportion out of this. If you think about proportion, you cross multiply. So the answer is x times 1 equals x, and 64 times 9, 64 times 10, 640, 64 times 9, the answer is 576. So x equals 576. Okay, so I hope this video helps a little bit. Please watch it again and make sure you correct your mistakes so you understand this. And tonight or today you're gonna work on my MATLAB, and I have some videos posted on the website, so please do it. And tomorrow, which is Thursday, we will start a new section, actually new chapter 9. We'll talk about logs. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.